Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be doing a little makeup tutorial and there's a few new products that I'd like to show you. So let's get started. Alright, so first I'll be doing my cover up in the Hollywood Flawless filter. This is just like a little miniature size because I wanted to test it out. Shade 3 Fair. Like this little makeup brush and you just apply it. Okay, so I kind of just put it like all over. Yeah, I'm gonna grab my beauty blender and just blend it right in. Okay, so now I'm gonna begin doing my eyebrows and I'm gonna be using the Anastasia brow pen. And also I did get this like little brow pencil from a makeup market and it's called Del Palma 11. But yeah, we're gonna go to town. So first I'll begin filling them in with this little brow pen. Alright, so you can really see the difference with the brow pen. So I got this one outlined or filled in. Now I'm going to do that one. Okay, so I got my brows filled out with the Anastasia brow pen. Now I'm going to go ahead and use the Anastasia clear brow gel and just like push them up a little bit. Okay, so these are them for now. I'm not too sure if I'm loving them, but we can always fix them. So I'm just going to go ahead and move on. Milani Bold Obsessions eyeshadow palette. So we have that on. Now I'm gonna get like this more like warm beige and that is called Sweet as Honey. Then just kind of go in right above. I'm just gonna do like a little crease cut with a darker color. Okay, so I got my shadow done. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do eyeliner with the Maybelline Master Precise All Day, shade Black. Okay, I've got the eyeliner on. Go ahead and do some mascara. This is still the same one that I had from when I first got here, Urban Decay Wild Lash. So I'm just going to use it kind of like as a top coat. I'll tell you what brand this is, like Ciuglino. But I also got that at the little Italian beauty store. Okay, so those are the lashes. Just this MAC Studio Fix. And putting that everywhere except for when where I'm gonna put blush because that's its own powder in itself. I don't really want to mix the powders. I'm gonna get the Adelaine Morin Tarte palette and use the I Feel Beautiful blush. I wish I had my lip liner, but I let my friend hold on to it the other night and I never got it back, so need to holler at them. So I guess to end it all, I'm just gonna put on a little chapstick. This is Burt's Bees. Excuse the lighting in here, it's really hard to get good lighting in my apartment, but well, this is essentially the finished look, so yeah. Thank you for watching and comment below what you'd like to see next or what you thought. Thank you and stay tuned for the next video.